Welcome to another tour of Ride Along with Brittany. Today we are looking at Sunset Harbour in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is one of those waterway communities that has all the amenities you could ever need living right on the water. Let's take a look. Sunset Harbour is one of those neighborhoods that gives you a little bit of everything people love about coastal living. Waterway access, a residential feel, and a location that keeps you close to Cherry Grove, the beach, restaurants, shopping, golf, and everything North Myrtle Beach has to offer. As we drive through, you'll notice Sunset Harbour feels established, quiet, and tucked away, but not isolated. This is not a high-rise beach condo feel. It's more of a residential neighborhood with single-family homes, mature landscaping, and that laid-back North Myrtle Beach lifestyle. One of the big draws here is the Waterway. Depending on where you are in the neighborhood, you may see waterway views, homes closer to the water, or homes that give you an easy access to the boating side of North Myrtle Beach. Sunset Harbour has amenities that really fit the coastal lifestyle. Has a clubhouse, pool, gazebo, waterway access, and boat-related features like a boat ramp and storage options. So if boating, relaxing by the pool, or just being close to the water sounds good to you, this neighborhood is worth knowing about. And if you're still watching and already thinking, okay Brittany, what's actually for sale in here? Send me a message. I can send you the current active listings in Sunset Harbour and help you compare it to other North Myrtle Beach communities nearby. You'll mostly find single-family homes here, and you may see a mix of styles, sizes, and updates. Some homes are larger, some may have waterway views or waterway proximity, and like many established communities, condition can vary from home to home. The lifestyle here really is about convenience and coastal living. You're close to the beach, Cherry Grove, Main Street, restaurants, shopping, golf, marinas, and of course the Intracoastal Waterway. So you get that neighborhood feel while still being close to the things people move to North Myrtle Beach for. This could be a good fit if you're looking for a primary home near the water, a second home in North Myrtle Beach, or a coastal neighborhood with amenities and boating access without being directly in the middle of the busiest beach traffic. So if you like the idea of North Myrtle Beach living with a quieter neighborhood feel, waterway access, and easy access to Cherry Grove and the beach, Sunset Harbour may be one to keep on your list. So if you like the idea of living in North Myrtle Beach in a waterway community with waterway access, easy access to Cherry Grove Beach, South Carolina, then Sunset Harbour may be one to keep on your list. Comment below and I'll send you a list of all the active homes in this community.